Hello and welcome. In this video, I am going to share with you my latest Android app, which is SMS Drive for Android. This app will help you to backup and sync your SMS across multiple devices. And the best part is you don't have to press the backup button each and every time. It works automatically. All you have to do is turn on auto sync. I've been working on this project from last roughly 4 to 5 years. The first version of SMS Drive was published on Google Play Store in year 2020. So from 2020 till today, I've been working on it in my free time and I have added multiple features in it. So recently I have made version 3 of SMS Drive. So I decided to make a video on it explaining its feature and give you a little bit demo of the entire Android app. In this video, I am going to do a full review of this app, my own app, and I will explain you various features and how to use it and how to install it on your Android device. The philosophy behind this app is very simple. All you have to do is install it on your Android device and then turn on the auto sync and then forget about it. The app will work in background and automatically synchronize all your SMS in the cloud. In this way, you don't have to worry about losing your SMS. SMS are very important these days because you receive all sorts of notifications on SMS, including banking transaction and etc. So it is important for you to back up each and every SMS. The traditional way of SMS backup is not that convenient because it doesn't include automatically synchronization. You have to manually press the button of backup each and every time to backup your messages. But in SMS Drive, it works automatically. Just install the app, turn on auto sync and then forget about it. The app backups all your messages for you in background. Now SMS Drive is not built to replace your default SMS app. In fact, SMS Drive is built to be a companion for your default SMS app. So when you install SMS Drive, the best part is you don't have to uninstall your favorite default SMS app. SMS Drive works as a companion and it will automatically back up all your SMS. Now the cloud feature is optional feature, so in case if you want to back up your SMS offline without internet, it is possible in SMS Drive too. But the cloud feature make everything very simple from backing up SMS to restoring your SMS to multiple device or a new device. With that said, let's get started. So first you have to install SMS Drive on your Android device. Currently it is only available for Android device and not the iPhone device. So if you are an Android user, you can get the download link in the description given below. So let's open the app. After installing the app, you have to open it and this will be the onboarding screen of your app. On bottom there is a let's go button, click on it. And on permission screen you have to grant all the permission so that app can function normally. Now we have opened the app. As you can see in the background there is a the device scan happening, which is basically collecting all your SMS and organizing them so that you can see this in the home screen, so that you can see those in a list form. So for privacy reason I might blur the messages, but as you can see there are all the SMS of my Android device are visible in the home screen. Now on the home screen there are 3 tabs at the bottom. First is the device tab, second is the cloud, and third is the dashboard. The device tab will show the messages which are on your devices. On cloud tab you can see all the messages which are stored in the cloud. On dashboard you can see that there are multiple options available for you to sign in, import message and also export my message. We will go through all of these features one by one as we proceed forward with the video. So this is the general layout of the app, and on the top right corner there is setting button icon. This button open up the setting page in which you can see all the app notification, default SMS app, and also you can exclude app from your deep sleep if needed. And below there is other details such as website, app version and other things. Now let's open a random message so that I can show you the other features. As you can see, you can read all the messages, but the best part is you can also copy the message and share the message with a WhatsApp or any other text messenger. In case if you want to only export this SMS thread, there is an option to export the entire message thread as a text file, as a HTML file or as a JSON file. Now let's look at how to sign in into SMS Drive account. At the bottom of screen you can see there is an option to sign in. There is a button to sign in. Click on the button and this is the sign in page. If you are a first time user, then you can create an account using clicking on create account button. or else you can sign in into account by entering email ID and password. As you can see, I have entered my email ID and password in the login screen. Now let's log in into the account.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
After logging into the account, as you can see, there are no cloud messages available, so it will appear blank. But now if you want to synchronize all your device messages to the cloud, you can click on the synchronize button, which is shown at the bottom right corner. Click on the button, and after clicking on it, check the notification bar. You will see the entire process of cloud synchronization in your notification bar. After cloud synchronization, you can see all your SMS are visible in your cloud tab in the app. Just like any other normal message, you can also scroll through and browse through your cloud messages, and you can also open your cloud messages to read them. This is how you synchronize your device messages to the cloud using SMS Drive for Android. But let's say if you want to restore all the messages from cloud to devices, you can restore all your cloud messages on your Android device by going to the dashboard tab, and there is an option to import all your messages. You can click on this tab, and then you have to set SMS Drive as your default app. And then you can start the process to restore all your SMS from cloud to Android device. Now since all of my messages are already on the device, so I don't need to restore it. But in your case, if you want to restore, you can restore all the cloud messages to your Android device. Now here is a very interesting feature of SMS Drive. In case if you want to automatically synchronize all your SMS to the cloud, then there is an interesting option that is auto sync messages, and this option makes this app very unique. You can click on auto sync messages, and then each and every SMS which you have will automatically synchronize in background if your device is connected to internet. Once you enable the auto sync option, then you don't need to worry about anything. App will automatically work in background and synchronize messages. So this is the basics of how to use the app. But in case, let's say if you want to delete the backup of your cloud, you have option to delete the backup of the cloud. Go to the settings page and scroll down at the bottom. There is a danger zone. This danger zone has an option to delete the cloud messages. Now let's see how we can export the messages to your device without internet. Now let's say if you don't want to use internet and you have to export all your messages offline, then you can export those by going to the dashboard tab, and in the dashboard tab you will see there are multiple options to export all your SMS. These options don't require internet. You can export them offline. There are multiple options to export. You can export it as a HTML, text file, or a JSON file. The benefit of exporting SMS in JSON file is you can transfer the JSON file to another device and then import that JSON file via this app. So all your messages can transfer from one device to another device from JSON file without any internet. So there are multiple options for offline export or offline backup of your SMS, as well as there is an option for you to backup your messages to the cloud. I will recommend the cloud method because cloud is much more easy. All you have to do is install the app, click on synchronize button, and then everything is uploaded on the cloud. And then install SMS Drive on your brand new device, and then sign in into the SMS Drive account and restore all your SMS on your new device. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in installing SMS Drive, the links are given in the description below. With that said, have a nice day and bye bye.